Okay, what's going on, MegaWhale team? Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a quick update for Bitcoin. There isn't a lot to go over today. We have done all our analysis and all our reviews for Bitcoin already. Everything we've discussed previous to this video is still very much valid, and all we're really doing right now is watching it play out. We're just observing, we're watching it play out, and we're just making actions and decisions based on the price movements, and that's all we're really doing right now. So what today's video is going to be a quick update to keep you guys informed and in check with what has happened and where we think the price will be heading on that short term. Before we get started, I just want to say, if you're not in the free Telegram channel, come around, check it out, join the free Telegram channel now. We had an amazing trade on VRA posted a few days ago, obviously all for free in our free channel. It's done about 63%, up about 66% profit now, and it's just about hit all targets. So that's really good to see. I'm going to bring the trade up now. You can see it on the screen here. We had our target posted on the 1st of February, and obviously moving down to where we are now. Let's zoom down. 62% profit, 5 targets hit. So guys, link in the description, join up. We post a lot of trades, we post a lot of updates, a bunch of links to our videos in there so you'll never miss another video, and obviously a lot of updates and sales for our VIP channel. So if you have any questions about that, leave them down below and we'll get straight into the video. So coming back to this chart here, I'm just going to show you, this was the chart we talked about a few weeks ago. In fact, I think it was the 20th or 25th of January we did a video on this, talking about how February is quite a bullish month, and usually we see a bounce in Feb. I would say it was very obvious we'd see a bounce. There was a lot of good positive signs in the charts, and especially on the larger time frames, indicating that a bounce was incoming. We have in fact seen that initial, I would say, first part of the bounce occur. That meaning the first part was we broke up out of that wedge, we broke through the $40,000 resistance, and we're in that second resistance block now, which is at 42,300 to 43,000. Now this is a very, very critical resistance zone. If we zoom out on the chart, we can see in fact how I would say how critical this zone is right here. So we can see many times we've had very strong and very significant retests, and it's determined a lot of price action. We see here we got rejected, a huge crash, we broke through, a massive pump, continuation, same thing over here, and same thing over here. I would like to bring to your attention another really important thing, which is that green line over here, which is a 50 SMA. We are currently just underneath the 50 SMA. Now, will we continue upwards? That's a big question. That's kind of the question we're going to be answering today. I personally believe we will. And I'm saying that because every single time we break over our 50 SMA, we are technically in an uptrend. All right? Right now, we are not actually in an uptrend. This is just a breakout pattern. All right? All this is a breakout. We broke out the wedge. We expected a bounce. That's all we're seeing. Are we in an uptrend? No. Are we in a bull market? No. Remember, the bull market, we need to get over $48,000. We're going to show you again on this chart. To be in a bull market, we need to be over this level here, the $48,000 mark. If we get over $48,000 and we hold it, we are in a bull market. If we get over a 50 SMA, we are in an uptrend. The 50 SMA is around 42,800. So we're very close to it. We're just underneath it. If we can get that daily candle to close over that green line, over the 50 SMA, we will in fact be in an uptrend. If that occurs, I would have no doubt to expect a move upwards into this support block, hopefully consolidating and then following our prediction, which is crashing back down. But obviously, if we do break upwards, we'll have to reanalyze our position and reanalyze our estimations and predictions as a potential move upwards to 53,000 will occur. With that being said, guys, that's kind of the scope of the market. That's kind of what we're looking at right now. That's kind of what the market's telling us. We're going to take a look at the technical indicators really quickly. We'll dive right in. So we'll just bring up the volume profile right now. As you can see, let's actually just adjust this one to 400. And as you can see, there's quite a gap over here. So we can see that $43,000 range. We talked about that $43,000 range on that previous chart we just looked at, and we'll just map it out again over here to $43,000 resistance zone. There's not a lot of historical buy and sell action in that zone. So if we do break about 43,000, we do have a very clear shot up to about $47,000, which I believe will wick up to about $48,000, which is about an 8% rise sort of market. It's a very, very strong move, and it will happen very quickly if we get over $43,000. In saying that, we do have a lot of support down here. We can see 42,000, 41,000. Again, it's all mapped out on here, guys. So look at this chart. It's a bit, there's a lot going on. It's a bit messy. Just to I would say, remind you guys, these red lines are horizontal resistances, and these gray boxes are support and resistance zone. So copy this chart, take a screenshot, put these data points on your chart so you've got them ready to go, and you can analyze it as we go through the chart, and keep you updated yourself. Before we move on to anything else, I wanted to bring to your attention one more thing, which is this green line. This diagonal green line has been a support line for Bitcoin, and we have noticed we actually are back over it. We are not only back over it, but we had a very nice retest of that line before we push back upwards. Again, very, very bullish sign. There's a lot of support under where Bitcoin is now, which is really good to see. We've got our support zone here, which is at 42,300. We've got a horizontal support at 42,000. We've got our diagonal support, which is this increasing line from about 40,000 to 42,000. And then we have our support at 41,000. We've got a lot of support on Bitcoin. There's a good chance that we push upwards. But in saying that, we do have to keep in mind a rejection on this 50 SMA is very bearish and will head downwards. That about sums it up for today's video, guys. I hope you guys learned something. If you've got any questions, make sure leave them down below. Again, today's video is not kind of telling you guys what's going to happen. We've already done our analysis. We did our analysis weeks ago. Remember, this is what we think is going to happen. Today's video, the purpose of today's video is to keep you up to date with what has happened, why it's happened, and what we expect to happen following this prediction that we made a few weeks ago. All right, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.